Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another pick a card reading, which is going to be for all those of you who are in love with specific someone and they really at times wonder if the connection is one-sided because they never express their love, they never express their feelings. So we are going to find out answer to that question. Is this connection that you have with a specific someone, is it one-sided or not? If if it is or if it's not, will they ever express whatever it is that they have to express or not? So I have pulled out two cards to get the answer. Is the connection is one-sided, and then will they ever express it? So and then we have taken one card from the oracle cards as well. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading and let's start with the pile green. I have two piles here, green pile and the pink pile. Pick whichever pile you want to choose to see the answer for yourself. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. I'm going to start with pile green. So let's see. Is your connection one-sided and will they ever express it? So let's find out. Let's start with the first two cards here. Let's see. The Emperor, Page of Wands. No, the connection is not one-sided, it's mutual. But I feel like the person that you are dealing with, they are very controlling that way. I feel like they aren't somebody who doesn't like expressing a lot of what they feel, how they feel. It seems like they have the that aura which basically is kind of very distant. Like this person doesn't get too involved in this connection. This person kind of pull themselves away from it most of the time because they want to be having the upper hand in this situation, in this connection with you as well. They do feel connected to you on the deeper level than just being in love with you. I feel like it seems like your person uh deep down, they are committed to you as well. Like they are not fucking around, they are not dating other people. But yes, they might not express it. The reason could be because their age, because the way they look at love and relationships. Maybe the person that you are dealing with, it's just like a different individual. Like as to how you are and how they are, or how they take love and relationships and how you take it. Maybe they are somebody who needs to have the heart to heart bond more than somebody who keeps telling you I love you, I love you, I love you. So this person is somebody who needs that confirmation that you both are each other's from the heart. This person is somebody who doesn't believe in when it comes to love and relationships, they don't believe in the materialistic stuff going on, that they would buy you stuff and to make you feel special. This person is somebody very very not giving that way, I would say, because their aura, their energy is pretty much very unlike you, I would say, because it's like I feel like both are two different individuals, and it's like it's just that they are certainly maybe not the type that you have been with in the past as well. That's why you find it kind of this person kind of weird in a way, because they don't express much. They will make sure that you do good. They will be like a good caretaker, but they are not somebody who is expressive at all. So I feel like the connection is not one-sided, it is mutual. But yes, this person would only express their emotions and love towards you in bed maybe, but other than that, I feel like this person is going to be very different kind of them. um, so this person could be somebody at an in an authority spot, like whatever they are working, whatever they are doing, maybe they are the in a high rank position. So let's see, will they express it, whatever it is that they have, or whatever they feel for you, will they ever express it? Nah, this person is so constipated emotionally, and when it comes to expressing the feelings, they are like nah, I don't want to. It's more like your person is somebody who's maybe they are too what we call it, practical that way. Maybe you are so romantic, and it's like two different people who are you are the extreme romantic kind of a person, and they are extreme dry kind of person that way. I'm not saying that they are not good in bed, they are, but it's like the romance is missing there most of the time is what this person is somebody who's very dominating as well. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. The union of hearts, a love connection defies explanation. Yes, there is like, they might not tell you that, okay, let's get married, or let's commit to each other or make it official. They don't need all those things. They don't need that. It seems like, the heart to heart connection, the love, from, there is this soul connection is what I'm picking up more than anything else. Either you or the person that you are dealing with could be 28 years plus as well. Or maybe they are like young, but they act mature, in a mature way. They are very practical that way. So but yeah, the connection that you have is definitely mutual. It's not one-sided. But yes, your person is like the dry and dead kind, and when it comes to expressing love in situations like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the people who chose the green pile. So let's move on to the pink pile. Let's see what is up with your person. Is the connection that you have with a specific someone, is it one-sided? Let's find out. Ten of Wands, Six of Pentacles. It has been one-sided all the time. It has been one-sided all the time. But I feel like, there are positive changes coming in this connection now. Your person, whoever it is that you are dealing with, I feel like, now they understand that they really have to, have the balance there, give and take, give and take. They cannot be the one on the receiving end all the time, and then, you get nothing out of it. So I feel like, now they are, trying to change their attitude towards you, but still it's pretty much one-sided in a way or two. But yeah, I cannot deny the fact that yes, the positive changes are coming in this connection between you and your specific someone. But in the past, it has been one-sided connection. It's like, it was, and maybe it is for some of you right now as well. But there's a strong possibility of things changing as you continue working towards this connection. You could manifest the, the balance in there, in terms of equal give and take, in terms of equal give and take, in terms of expressing love, in terms of giving commitment, and giving more time to each other maybe as well. I feel like, there has been a lot of imbalance in this connection lately, and I feel like somehow that change is positive change is coming. I don't know, maybe for some of you who are watching this, maybe there are some planetary movements happening for your sign, which could be the reason, why they are like, they are going to start changing themselves towards you. But I do see some positive changes coming from them as well. Maybe, and if it, even if it was one-sided in the past, I feel like, it wasn't actually one-sided. It was more like, your person was not ready to give into this connection. Not that they didn't want to, it's just that they could not, maybe for some reasons. Maybe they were focused on their work or stuff. Maybe they were like, thinking like, this connection is like any other connection. That could be the reason why they were not giving into this connection earlier. But this connection has been one-sided in the past, but now things are going to start changing. For majority of you, I feel like, you cannot see the change as of now, but in near future you're going to start seeing the positive changes coming for you too in this connection. It is going to start getting, balanced in one way or the other. I feel like, some sort of divine intervention is going to happen, which is going to bring the balance back in this connection, and then it is not going to be one-sided any longer. So will they express their love, or whatever they feel for you, will they ever express that? Let's find out the answer to that. Ooh, yes. I feel like, you have been in a stagnant situation with your person, very, from quite a long time, and all that is going to change very soon. They are going to express this. They might also commit to you in the near future as well. But I feel like, it's all going to start changing gradually. It's not going to happen like this. But once they start changing, it's like, that, then the change is going to come quick. But until and unless you might have already waited a long time from this person to change, and to give into this connection, as you were giving into this, you have been, like I said, some sort of divine intervention is going to happen, which is going to bring the change that you want. But yes, I do see that it was one-sided, but now it's not going to be any longer. Things are changing in this connection. It's going to be like a fresh new beginning that you're going to be having with this person, which is going to be on a deeper level. I feel like, this connection is going to be mutual very soon, and it's not just that. It's going to start off with a lot of blessings into this connection as well. That's the reason why I feel like, there could be some sort of divine intervention, plus the planetary movements could be a greater situation to basically mold the whole current situation into your favor. For some of you, you might be manifesting this balance in this connection as well. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. Be in the present and dream of the future. When we dream, everything is possible. Yeah, like I said, for some of you, maybe you are manifesting the change in your person, and that could be the reason, or okay, let me show you the card here, the planets and stuff. Maybe it's like I said, I feel like there could be, because I'm not into astrology much, so I don't know what's going on up there in astrological stuff. But yes, I do see that that could be a greater influence in this situation. Something like it's more like a cycle of something. I don't know what was happening. Maybe it was a long cycle that was happening in that zone, which I'm unaware of, so I'm not going to talk about that. But I do see that there was some sort of influence up, coming from up there, and now that cycle is over. I don't know, it was like planetary movements, whatever it was, and as it ends, things gonna start shifting in your connection, which has, I feel like for some of you it has already started shifting, but for majority of you it's yet to happen, and then things gonna change, and it's gonna be a beautiful new beginning that you're gonna be having with them very soon. So meanwhile you wait for things to change. Be in the present moment, dream big about the future that you want to have with your person. Keep manifesting it, and you will get whatever you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the people who chose the pink path. So yeah, if the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're going to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.